To add the given rational expression with the similar denominator. So this time class, we need to use naman the butterfly method. First, you need to multiply the numerator of the first rational to the denominator. So this will become what? 3 multiplied by 4x plus 3 plus, next multiply 2 times 1, 3x minus 4. And next, we have multiplied the denominator. Okay, 2 times 3, 6. Okay, next, simplify the numerator. 3 times 4x. 12. So, anong ginagawa natin? Distributive property na to. Okay, next, we have 3 times 3, 9, plus 2 times 3x, 6x. 2 times negative 4, over 6. Then after that, combine the like terms. Oh, what are the like terms? 12x and 6x. 12 plus 6. 18x. And then, ano pa yung like terms natin? Positive 9 and negative 8. So, 9 minus 8. Positive or negative? Positive 1 over 6. Or do you think we can cancel 18 and 6? How many terms? 2 terms. Binomial. And this is only monomial. So, we cannot cancel that. So, what we're going to do now? Keep na. Therefore, this is the answer.